Hey loves, welcome to or back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Evita, and on my channel I like to post videos about cash stuffing, my journey to becoming debt free, and also budgeting videos. If that sounds like something you'll be interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you find yourself enjoying this video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. But in today's video, we are going to be stuffing $231 into my everyday binder. Now, of course, everything will not get stuffed, but I'm going to stuff the majority of them. All right, so eating out is going to get $10. You know what? I'll write on the cards later. This video will be short. Oh, $10 for, yep, eating out. Spending money is going to get 20. Gas is going to get 40. I don't know, I thought I had it already unzipped. I'm gonna leave them unzipped because I gotta write on them. Joe's hair will get 20. Even though Joe has a job now, he can pay for his own hair. But if he doesn't have the money, I'll have it right here. I no longer give him spending money since he has his own job now. Medical will get nothing. Groceries, I already spent, groceries were supposed to get 200 this month, but I already spent 100, so groceries will only get 100. Beauty will get 26. Oh, I don't know why it just all of a sudden got dark. Sorry. I don't know how long it's been dark. I just looked up at the camera. Clothing will get nothing. And then my hair will get 5. And then Zion will get 10. That was like a super quick cash stuffing video, you guys. I guess I can chit chat with you all while I fill out the cards. So let me move that over. Today is, today's my husband's birthday, Lord Jesus. So deposit plus 10, 15. So what has everyone been up to? Go ahead and leave a comment down below. How's the weather where you live? Listen, the weather here, oh, this thing is stuck in here, honey. The weather here has been so crazy. Like, usually it's extremely hot right about now, but it isn't. It's like, it's climbing up there, but I feel like I'm back up north, back in Ohio, when the weather struggled to, like, reach a decent temperature. In my mind, decent temperature is like in the 80s. Yeah, sorry. What do you guys have any plans for this summer? Is that right? Yeah, 26. Do you guys have any plans for, I don't know why I gave myself 26, but okay. You guys have any plans for the summer? I am going to Costa Rica, and then we're also going to go to Ohio for my aunt's 50th birthday. She's having a birthday party, so we will be going up there. And yeah, that's about it. I think I'm gonna just play music for the rest of the time while I'm filling these out. And just let me know how you're doing and everything in the comments below. You know what? Gas is so expensive. I don't know, like everything. Everyday life is just expensive now. Everything is so expensive now. Let me know in the comments down below, how much is gas where you live? Because right now here where I am in South Carolina, it is $4.17 is the most expensive I've seen so far. All right, well, that is all for today's video. Short and sweet. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll talk to you all in my next video. Bye.